It is said that 50 million profiles of users' personal information were turned over to Cambridge Analytica, which is linked to the Trump campaign. The internet is filled with news related to this. This is the biggest scandal in the history of Facebook. Now, in a Facebook post, Zuckerberg wrote, "We have a responsibility to protect your data, and if we cannot, then we don't deserve to serve you." Facebook is a great platform and we cannot imagine to leave it at the current situation. Hence, I am showing you the settings using which you can save your data. It has always been present in privacy settings, but Facebook will take more advanced tool at the top of your news feed that shows the apps you have used, and that will be an easy way to revoke those apps' permissions to your data soon. Go to edit settings for any particular app. You will find information shared by the app, and you can restrict the collection of data by changing settings. Apps and games are managed by developers outside of Facebook. If you need help with an app or game, contact the developer. You can ask them to delete the data that they have collected from you. This is your right. What they will ask you is the user ID. You can check the user ID from here, and you can tell them and they will delete your data. This is the best that you can do. We are coming with a very interesting and unique idea soon. So make sure to subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update for our videos. Thanks for supporting, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.